Hey guys, it's Allye with Jeff Belzers, and today we're going to be taking a look at the highly anticipated 2025 Kia Carnival Hybrid. Kia classifies the Carnival as an MPV, a multi-purpose vehicle, which just means that they're trying to prioritize the comfort and practicality for their passengers. They're trying to stay away from calling it a minivan like their competitors do. The 25 model year is what we call a mid-cycle refresh, so while it's not a total overhaul, you can see where Kia really enhanced the Carnival's exterior to give it this sportier looking front end. To me, it looks like Sorrento's big sister. The amber running lamps are new for this refresh, and the Carnival comes standard with LED multi-reflector headlamps. Check out these stylish 17-inch alloy wheels. They are also available as 19-inch wheels depending on what trim level you're looking at. But the roof rails come standard on every Carnival, and they're perfect for outdoor adventures or extra cargo. Under the hood, the Carnival has a 1.6-liter four-cylinder turbocharged hybrid engine with a 54 kilowatt electric motor. At the time of this recording, this hybrid Carnival does not plug in, so there is no tax credit, but you will see 33 miles per gallon, and on a full tank, you'll get over 600 miles of range. So that's all I need to get behind the wheels of this vehicle, so let's go check it out. The inside of the Kia Carnival is just as gorgeous as the outside. So we have a huge screen here for the driver and for the infotainment. We have 14.6 over here and 12.3 over here. And a lot is going to be done for your settings and climate control on this screen. But they do have this smaller little touch screen that you can access the climate on, but you have to toggle if you want to have the radio or the climate displayed. Down here we have two USB-C ports and some storage and a wireless charger. We also have two cup holders, our fancy gear shifter, and in this top trim level we have heated and cooled seats that you can access here, as well as your 360 camera. And in here we have a little bit of storage in the middle console. Some honorable mentions up here on the infotainment screen of the Kia Carnival Hybrid is this passenger view, so you can see what's going on in the back seat. And something that's really cool called Passenger Talk. So you can click this button and my voice is projected in the third row, so I don't have to scream over all of my children in the second row to access my third row children. Something else that I love about this Kia Carnival Hybrid is that there is a driver-only option for your climate. So if you don't have anybody else in the car and you finally have a moment of peace on your way home from soccer practice, you can just heat or cool your seat as the driver. Some safety features that are standard on all trim levels of the 25 Carnival Hybrid are side blind zone alert, adaptive cruise control, rear occupant alert, front and rear park assist, and so much more. And standard comfort features on this vehicle are heated front seats, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Smart Key. Now the second row and third row are a lot to talk about, so let's head back there. Okay, we're here in the second row of the Carnival Hybrid, and the bench seat that is here is actually available on every single trim level. And that's not usually the case with bench seats in family cars. They're usually only available on lower trim levels, so that's really nice. And every single seat that you see is on a separate track, so if you wanted to remove this middle seat to make it captain's chairs, you can, or you can remove this outboard seat to access the third row that way, so that's really nice. The back seat can access their own climate control by using this panel here, and all the vents are in the ceiling, so there's great ventilation for your passengers. And another really cool thing about the second row of the Carnival is that the USB-C ports are not in the middle console like they usually are. They are on the back seat of the driver and passenger seats. And something else to note here is these buttons will help you move this seat up or back so that you can easily get in and out of the second row, or if you're trying to install a car seat, makes things really easy. Here in the third row of the Kia Carnival, we have a lot of space for your passengers who will also enjoy two cup holders on each side and a USB-C port on each side. And in this higher trim level, we have sunshades back here. And there are lower tether anchors on both of the outboard seats. Behind the third row, the Carnival offers best-in-class 40.2 cubic feet of cargo space. And for those of us who don't speak in cubic feet, that's about 13 inches from the floorboard to the bottom of these seats and 50 inches across. And they have great little side compartments over here, so you can put anything in there you don't want rolling around. You can get even more storage if you put this third row down, and it's actually really easy. All you have to do is pull this lever first, and then pull this string, push it down. And now I have to show you this super cool and random little trick that the Kia Carnival can do. This middle seat with the back row folded down can go all the way to the third row. So if your middle passenger wants a little extra space from their siblings and the seats are folded down, he can get it. The Carnival Hybrid will come in 4 different trim levels: the LXS, EX, SX, and SX Prestige. And the LXS starts at $40,500, making it an affordable option compared to its competitors. So what do you think? Does the Kia Carnival take the cake? I mean, how could you go wrong with a great exterior, amazing safety features, and incredible miles per gallon? Come by Jeff Belzer today to take this new vehicle out for a spin.